What if I told you that there's a way to make money in 2025 without picking stocks, timing the market, or checking your portfolio every day? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, I'll reveal the one overlooked feature of VOO that most investors completely ignore, and it could be the key to turning your passive income goals into reality. But before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. First, what exactly is VOO? VOO stands for the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. When you buy VOO, you're not buying just one company. You're buying a tiny slice of the 500 biggest, most successful companies in America. We're talking Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and hundreds more. Think of VOO as a financial basket. Instead of putting all your eggs into one company, you're spreading them across giants in technology, healthcare, energy, and consumer goods. This makes it one of the safest and most powerful tools for building wealth long-term. How VOO makes you money. VOO pays you in two main ways, and this is where it gets interesting. Number one, capital appreciation. When the overall market goes up, so does VOO. In fact, since its inception, VOO has averaged about 10% annual returns. So if the market has a good year, you win. Number two, dividends. That's right. VOO actually pays you just for holding it 4 times a year. Vanguard pays out dividends from the profits those 500 companies make. It's like getting a bonus check just for being a smart investor. So why is VOO especially powerful going into 2025? Here's why. Despite all the noise, interest rate changes, inflation talk, even recession fears, the companies inside VOO are leaders in innovation, cash flow, and market dominance. As the economy shifts, these companies tend to adapt first, recover fastest, and grow stronger. And because VOO tracks the entire S&P 500, it automatically adjusts. No need for you to buy or sell anything. It rebalances itself. You're always invested in the strongest performers without lifting a finger. Let's say you invested just $1,000 in VOO 10 years ago. You'd have nearly $2,600 today. And that's during a decade with 2 major market crashes. Imagine what that could look like in another 10 years, especially if you consistently invest every month. Compound growth is your best friend, and VOO is one of the most reliable vehicles to drive it. Now here's the part most people miss. VOO is extremely tax efficient. Thanks to the ETF structure, you're often avoiding capital gains taxes that other mutual funds trigger when they sell stocks. That means more of your profits stay in your pocket and compound faster over time. It's like silent money working for you, without Uncle Sam taking a bigger cut than he has to. So if you're looking for a simple, set-it-and-forget-it way to grow your money in 2025, VOO should absolutely be on your radar. Smash that like button if you learned something new, and hit subscribe so you don't miss more strategies on how to master your financial future the smart way. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research and speak to a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions.